Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to do a quick review on Bugherd AI. This is Bugherd AI. Now Bugherd AI, this is it, has a lot of great things in it. So some of the features, let's look at the features. You get easy website annotation, client collaboration, feedback on design and deliverables, actionable bug reports, and so much more. You can integrate it into so many, you can see them. And then when it comes to, okay, let's just go into this and see what the I have to say. So Bugherd is about getting client feedback on websites. It's made ridiculously easy using Bugherd. So if you ever want to get client feedback from websites in a very easy way, use Bugherd AI. Your clients can just point, click, and comment on a live website. Bugherd grabs screenshots, captures technical details, and creates a task for your team to manage. Goodbye endless email. So you can see that. So you can have a free trial by using a Google account or some official email. No credit card is required. It's lot by about 10,000 plus companies, 350,000 plus users across 102 countries. So if you want to manage client feedback, which is often more work than the website build itself. Managing client feedback is often more work than the website build itself. Every web development team ever knows this. So if you want to watch it in action, simply click here and it will create, as you can see. So with Bugherd, clients just point, click, and comment. Clients drop a pin to show feedback in context. So you get in-context feedback. No need for accounts or login. Send clients a link and let them comment away. Feedback stays pinned to the exact page element so your team always knows exactly what to change. You have automatic screenshot capture. So you get a screenshot and all the technical details. It's a screenshot capture, all technical details, everything you need is the comments. So no more chasing down browser versions, screen resolution, and device details. Every client comment comes with all the information you need captured automatically. Then task tracking. Turn every comment into a clear next step. Every comment becomes a trackable task on the Kanban board so your team can prioritize and resolve feedback easier than ever. Already using a PM tool, send tasks there with one click. Here it is. For client collaboration, you can tackle each task in a separate conversation. You can show clients the progress as it happens. Each task, comment, and update is clearly visible on a shared project board so they can see exactly what's done and what is next. So you can get started with Bugherd in just minutes. 1. Create your first project. 2. Get the Bugherd extension or install the JavaScript code. And 3. Invite your team and clients to leave feedback. Finally, we have a feedback tool loved by web developers, development teams, and their clients, used by project managers, web developers, web designers. Get effortless feedback, happier clients, and better websites. 94% of users report improved client satisfaction, and 3% of users report reduced time to delivery, and 5% of users say they're delivering higher quality products. But don't just take the word of Bugherd for it. You can check out the customer testimonies over here. So get a client feedback process that just works. Use Bugherd.